The Whirlpool W9 series built-in refrigerators feature unique fully embedded design. You can also customize personalized cabinet doors according to your preferences, integrating with the home environment, presenting a stylish and more tidy and comfortable spatial layout. Integrating excellent aesthetic design from the outside to the inside. Selection of multi-axis track-chained hinges make every opening and closing access more secure and reliable. Cloud Sand Gray Dark Inner Liner with comb and advanced sense. 3-dimensional soft light source. Reversible beverage bottle rack. Innovative design creates more storage possibilities, paired with food-grade stainless steel air ducts, aluminum alloy handles, and decorative strips. Enhance the overall quality of the machine from the details. W9, and there are also exciting and excellent performance, including 5 black technologies of precision and intelligent preservation. Paired with VIP vacuum insulation material, better preservation effect achieved with a thinner foam layer. Adopting plasma sterilization technology, achieve a sterilization rate of up to 99.8%. All jaws are made of antibacterial materials, further inhibit bacterial growth. Jaw silicone lining strip, anti-freezing hand-filling antibacterial effect on the handle. 0 freezing lock fresh compartment for storing short-term edible ingredients. Micro-freezing mode, 0 centigrade mode, maternal infant mode, fruit and vegetable mode. W9, a meticulously crafted realm of elegance, showcasing its charm that combines aesthetic design and quality connotation. Both large capacity and high standard of food preservation convey a sense of quality and happiness to countless families, enable users to enjoy the best way of life.